So I think my biggest takeaway from the classroom experience was what we could bring back to our nonprofit. So we took several video classes. As someone who wears several hats and we don't have the budget for a videographer or for an outside media person, to be able to learn what B-roll footage is, be able to put together those USBs and go to the news stations and say, hey, look, we have this awesome thing and here is some information that we want to send you. Being able to email it, knowing what they're going to want to be able to do a story on us and put us in the best light, I think is incredible. Knowing what lighting kits we need, how we can utilize our iPhones. One of the best apps that I learned about in one of the NLC classes was Animoto. And Animoto is an incredible, easy, user-friendly app to be able to build really nice videos that we can use on social media. And I think that we have taken that and kind of expanded on it with the use of iMovie and Animoto and been able to really develop quality videos that we can share with volunteers, potential donors across social media to let people know who we are.